Our journey started from Shialda station where we took the train.
Where to?
And the next day morning after reaching New Jalpaiguri, we booked a car for Gangtok.
We were drenched in color. It was all we had from medicine. Through melting snow.
Day 2. We woke up at Gangtok with this view of the Himalayas, and we left to see the Baba Mandir and also the Changu Lake through this Switzerland-esque nature.
In the cold will come again.
Hi guys, today we are going to Tsongmo Lake, which is also known as Changu Lake. And before going there, we have made a small stop here on the route. And the scenery is just awesome from here.
We may never learn. Where were you when we were still naive and innocent, clinging to each other, not a tired root in the loose sediment. But who owns?
Baba Mandir was made to remember one of Indian Army's soldier, Harbhajan Singh, after his mysterious disappearance in 1968.
When the uplift will turn to undertow.
Here we got the chance to sing the national anthem with the brave soldiers of Indian Army.
Like the story.
On our way back, we visited Changu Lake.
The point of no return.
Day 3. Today our North Sikkim trip begins with our journey towards Lachung.
Where were you when we were still naive?
Today we are going to North Sikkim, and here we have made our first stop to have our lunch.
Sediment. But who owns to know?
On the way we found several waterfalls and we made sure to stop at each of them.
And you never know when the uplift will turn to undertow. In the cold will come again.
Day 4. Day started by taking a stroll through the mountain village of Lachung.
Like the story hadn't passed the point of no return. We may never learn. Where were you when we were still naive and innocent, clinging to each other, not a tired root.
We were so lucky that as soon as we reached 0 point, snowfall got started, which created this magical fantasy land.
Every current has an ebb and flow, and you never know when the uplift will turn to undertow. Then the cold will come again, like the whole thing never happened.
While coming back, we made a stop at the Yumthang Valley where it was still snowing.
The point of no return.
We stopped again to photograph the rhododendron flowers, which bloom only in the spring season. Then we finally returned back to Lachung and spent some time there before leaving for Lachung.
Where were you and we were still naive and innocent, clinging to each other, not a tired root in the loose.
Day 5. It's our final day and today we are going to Gurudongmar Lake.
To know every current had
On our way we crossed many army camps. Godspeed and more power to these brave souls for protecting our borders in these extreme conditions.
maybe I'll be better.
Just before reaching Gurudongmar, we came across this Ladakh-esque features and it kinda gave us the feeling of roadies contestants.
Like the story hadn't passed the point of no return.
Right now I'm standing at the Gurudongmar Lake. I'm having a lot of breathing trouble out here. It's really hard to breathe.
We may not
While returning, we got to see the Indian Army's military drill. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe.